Good morning, T-Birds. I'm Jojo.
And I'm Elijah. Today is December 7th, 2022, and you're watching Tahoma TV.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Congrats to Simone Heltsley for breaking the school record for top scorer in a single game with a score of 175. The record for total pinfall for a single match with 326 pins was also broken. For more on this, Jada was able to catch up with Simone.
It's Jada, and I'm here with
Simone.
And the question is, how does it feel to break 2 school records in one match?
It feels good. I'm kind of relieved. Last night it was kind of, but my friends helped me, and we got through it. We had a good game.
Period. You always need your friends. Thank you and congratulations.
Great job, Simone. We're also going to recognize our wrestlers of the week, Irvin Chavez de Santiago and Jaslyn Lukey. Oceano also had a chance to meet up with them. Let's check it out.
So, Remy, you won Wrestler of the Week. Congratulations. How do you feel about that?
Thanks, and I feel good, Yeah.
Good. And how do you feel about wrestling season so far?
Oh, it's the best, guys. You should come try out. The teammates. Shout out to you guys. The coaches. Shout out to you guys.
All right, thanks. So, Irvin, congratulations on winning Wrestler of the Week. How do you feel about that?
I feel okay about it. I don't know if I deserve it, but yeah, I feel good.
Oh, yeah, okay. How do you feel about the season so far?
I feel good about it. It's my first year wrestling. I feel good, yeah.
Great. Congratulations.
Thank you, Jada and Oceana. Congratulations to Simone, Irvin, and Jaslyn. On the topic of sports, let's head over to Ronald for today's sports report.
For me, girls basketball has a away game against Spanaway Lake at 7:30. We have a home game at 7 against Spanaway Lake. Bowling team won a tough one. I think they're third, right, for me? Yeah, that's it. And yesterday, the boys swim team won all relays and made district qualifying times in the 200 freestyle relay and 400 freestyle relay. Senior Eduardo Tomasi won the 200 and 500 freestyles with district qualifying times. And freshman Jackson Sunsmo won the 100 backstroke with the league qualifying time. Freshman Edwin Angels Sanchez and sophomore Kyle Lawrence also made league qualifying times in the 100 breaststroke. We are now 2-2, moving us to third in the league. Back to the desk.
If you're interested in chess club, make sure to check it out tomorrow after school.
Do you need a sports physical or have a medical concern? We have an extra doctor available today in our clinic, so there's availability for any student to come and get seen today. Well, that does it for today's news. Thanks for tuning in again. I'm JoJo.
And I'm Elijah. Subscribe to us on YouTube to never miss a story.
Once a T-Bird, always a T-Bird. Have a great day.